Everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Wise doesn't send text code. Now note that this video is for informational purposes only. For any legal advice or assistance, please consult a professional. If you're experiencing issues with receiving text codes from Wise, there are a few things you can try. Number 1. Check your network connection. Ensure you have a strong mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. Next, turn your mobile data or Wi-Fi on and off to refresh the connection. Next, you can try restarting your device by simply turning it on and off. This can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. If it doesn't work, you can check for message blocking. Ensure you haven't accidentally blocked SMS messages from Wise. Check your phone's message settings and whitelist Wise number. Next, you have to change the method of code delivery. If you're not receiving SMS codes, Wise often offers alternative methods for receiving verification codes, like email, WhatsApp, and then if those two don't work, then contact Wise support. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and find a solution. Let me give you some additional tips. Always double check your phone number. And also check for spam folders. Sometimes verification codes can end up in your spam folder. And also ensure that notifications are enabled for the Wise app. If you're still unable to receive verification codes for any reason, you may not be able to complete certain actions on your Wise account. So it is best to contact Wise support for assistance in such cases. I hope this video helps you.